Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Hello. The best internet resources about. How can you teach a male dog to lift its leg to pee? These selected resources on the web might help you. Our top-ranked site to learn about how can you teach a male dog to lift its leg to pee is en.wikipedia.org. See the page titled Urination, Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. Here's the link. You can also try en.wikipedia.org, especially the page list of dog diseases, Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. This is the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site www.thedogtrainingsecret.com. The web page How to Stop a Male Dog from Marking. Here's the link.